Making work even easier, Cat Next Gen small wheel loaders 926, 930, and 938 have a feature called attachment profiles. So attachment profiles allows you to have 3 quick recall attachments with all your programmable kickouts or your hydraulic settings saved to them. Right here in the menu, you can shortcut it and pop that guy. So the default's going to be a bucket, a fork, and usually a material handling arm. You can see here I've already changed that to be a rollout bucket. And I did that because I wanted to show you how easy it is to poke that and bring it up. And it's got default settings already in those profiles. So the default settings for this, if I wanted to change it or see what they are, I could just poke that, poke the little machine, poke the setting, and we see our attachment select here in our attachment settings. So if I want to adjust anything with this attachment, this high dump bucket that I currently have on here, I can change the lift settings in here. I can turn on or off the snubbing. I can allow float, or I could disable float. I could make the response speed slow, medium, or fast. So a lot of settings in here. Then another one is aux flow. That's something that we might want to adjust, especially on a high dump or a rollout type of bucket, where I might want a faster roll out speed and a slower, softer catch on the back side of that. So I can adjust that to where I see fit, and it will save that. It also gives me the gallons per minute, so I kind of know what my flow is that I'm working with in this machine as well. So I'm gonna back out of that. Another thing is, maybe I don't want the ride control to come on, or maybe I want to change the speed with each attachment when that ride control comes on. I want it to come on or not come on, and that's easy to do. I can just poke it, and I can change the forward and the reverse speed at which that comes on. Easy to do, to grab and slide with your finger, or use your jog dial to tick it up or down. Maybe I want a little bit higher. I don't want it to come on when I'm not expecting it to. I want it to come on when I'm going to actually transit across the job site. So very easy to do. I back out of that menu, it'll automatically save that setting in here, and there is a wide variety of settings. Say I want to change one of those 3 attachments, the 3 quick recall attachments. Very easy to do. This the 3 that I have currently set up here, you see here. So whatever one I'm in, I actually choose that. I can go back to the bucket one for an example, and to change that attachment to a different quick recall attachment, you see here, bucket type, poke that, and it brings up that full menu of attachments. And it could be a rotary tool, a grapple, high dump, forks, material handling arm, etc. And it's very easy to change it. I'll change it to a rotary tool. It'll ask me, yes, I'll apply those settings. And again, you see the same lift, tilt, aux, and ride control adjustments that you can make for whatever attachment you want. Now, if I come back out to the home screen, you'll see that it has that now as my #1 setting. And if I poke that shortcut to my quick recall 3, you'll see now I have that rotary tool, I have the fork, and I still have that high dump that we adjusted earlier. So very easy to do with our Cat Next Gen small wheel loaders.